In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create OneDrive link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a clean, shareable link from OneDrive and control whether people can edit or just view your file. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Microsoft OneDrive website. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to log in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in, you'll land on your OneDrive home, where you can see your files and folders. Navigate to the file or folder you want to share. You can either click to open it or simply select it from the list, so OneDrive knows which item you're working with. With the item selected, dip in to look for the share button. Depending on your layout, it usually appears at the top of the page or next to the item when it's highlighted. Click Share to open the sharing panel on the right. At the top of that panel, you'll likely see text that reads something like, "Anyone with the link can edit." Click that text to open the link settings. This is where you control who can access the link and what they can do with your content. If you want to create a view-only link, switch the permission from editing to viewing. In many layouts, you'll see a pencil icon that indicates editing. Click that pencil to change it from can edit to can view. You should see the label update to confirm it's now view only. This is a great choice when you're sharing a finalized document or something you don't want others to change. After confirming the permission is set to Can View, click Apply to save those link settings. This step ensures your changes take effect before you generate the link. Now you're back in the main sharing panel. Click Copy Link. OneDrive will create the link using the settings you just chose and copy it to your clipboard. You'll see a confirmation message, and from there, you can paste the link into an email, a chat, or anywhere else you share information. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you want collaborators to make edits, you can leave the permission as can edit instead of switching to view only. Remember that anyone with the link means anyone who has the link can open it, so choose this when convenience matters and you're comfortable with broad access. If you prefer tighter control, consider more restricted options within link settings. That's all there is to it. You've created a OneDrive link, set the right permissions, and copied it for sharing. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.